Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Spices water sign, and this reading is from August 11th to August 20th. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Spices. 5 of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune. There are some disturbances between you and your person because 5 of Swords in past, and 8 of Pentacles. I think you are dedicated to something in past, your work or your relationship, whatever. Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your favor or things are getting to change in your life. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Spices. Okay, Justice. You or your person could be Libra. 8 of Cups. Separation. Judgment. Justice and Judgment. I think your person may be walked away from your situation, or you could be in your relationship. Definitely there is separation for some. And Justice, I think you want second chance from your person, and Judgment is also here. I think one person is made decision. I think your person walked away, but you want second chance with your person. You want reconciliation, or you could be walked away. Your person want reconciliation. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Spices. Definitely separation is there, or less communication, or no communication, no contact. The Empress. Your person is stand by their power. Death. I think your person undergo some transformation. Your person could be Scorpio. 7 of Swords. Yes, I think there is some sneaky energy between both of you. I think you could be manipulator or your person could be. I think something is not pure in this connection. You or your person could be Spices, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It could be any sign. Basically, I am telling based on these cards. And definitely your person stand by their power. I think there is less communication or false communication between both of you. That's why your person is walked away and they stand by their power and they undergo some transformation. I think in near future I am not seeing any action towards you they will make, because they stand by their power and they want to emotionally independent. So let's pull some more cards from universe, Spices. But you want reconciliation. Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. Your person is independent right now. They are not anymore dependent on you emotionally. 4 of Wands. You both could be twin flames also. Queen of Cups. But you both have strong emotions for each other. Queen of Cups. You do have emotions for your person. Your person have emotions for you. And 4 of Wands. Definitely you both want this union with each other, but your person right now not taking any action towards you. Yes, under the deck, Queen of Pentacles, they holding their coin back, but they have emotions, but they didn't take any action. But you want reconciliation. Let's see one more card. Yeah, Queen of Swords. I think your person cut you. They block your number. Maybe you are in no contact, most of you, or less contact. So this is the reading for you, Spices. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.